This is like the best fishing ever. You literally drop down a shrimp, wait about 13 seconds, and then you catch a little baby fish. It's freaking windy, bro. Way too windy. I don't like it when it's windy. You hear that wind? Wind finder said 8 miles per hour. I don't think so. So I went and caught some pufferfish. Pufferfish are yummy, and I'm gonna eat them. And I was looking for some sheephead, but I got into those little bangers that I like to call the chicken of the sea, or the chicken of the intercoastal, really, because they're delicious. And I know what you're thinking, who the hell eats a pufferfish? But they're amazing, and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna cook them up, like a bunch of them. There's like 12. I'm gonna cook them all up. I'm gonna eat them all. It's really good. If you guys haven't tried the pufferfish, you should try the pufferfish. The pufferfish is not poisonous. I don't care what anyone says. I've eaten a pile of them on multiple occasions, and you know, I'm still alive. I might be a little silly, but I'm definitely alive. Listen, if there's an easier fish to clean than a pufferfish, point me in his direction, because I want to eat him too. But the pufferfish, super easy. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it's kind of graphic. But what I will do is link in the description to a couple videos that show you how to do it. It's approximately like a 14-second process. One cut. It's like this nuggets of meat, like the whole fish, besides its head and its chumpy teeth. He's all meat. You're gonna love it. And I'm gonna cook it up coming up.